N-Hance wood refinishing is a smart choice when it comes to kitchen remodels. N-Hance helps you save money, delivers a top-quality, durable finish, and is better for the environment. When you choose to refinish and preserve your wood surfaces with N-Hance instead of replacing them, you can feel good knowing that you're choosing a path of conservation, saving trees, fossil fuels, and a reduction in greenhouse gases. Not only are you saving trees, but you're also planting trees. N-Hance donates 1 tree to be planted with American forests for every kitchen or floor that's refinished. N-Hance, together with our customers, will plant over 10,000 trees annually. N-Hance is a proud partner with American Forests. Refinish, reuse, replant.